Welcome back to your Chinese lesson. In the last lesson, we learned a, w, e, i, u, yu. Today we are going to learn b, p, m, f. Then we will practice ba, pa, ma, fa. Just listen and repeat after me. Let's get started. B, 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 a, 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 b, a, ba, b, a, ba, b, a, ba, b, 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 a, ba, b, a, ba, b, a, ba, p, 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 a, 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 p, a, pa, p, a, pa, p, a, pa, m, 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 a, 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 m, a, ma, 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 f, 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 a, 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 f, a, fa, f, a, fa, f, a, fa, ba, 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 pa, 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 ma, ma, fa, fa, ba, pa, ma, fa, ba, pa, ma, fa. Great job today. Now you can see ba, pa, ma, fa. Practice these sounds again and repeat with the video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.